Prompts and range are custom automated questions that you can schedule to appear in your team's check-ins on any day of the week. They only take a minute or two to set up, and they help you get the information you need from your team at the right time without micromanaging. Whether there are certain projects you'd like regular updates on or positive habits that you'd like your team to build over time, prompts are a simple way to nudge everyone in the right direction. To illustrate how prompts work and how they help, I'll walk through two examples. One is prompting your team to share updates on a specific goal or project, and two is prompting your team to share when they're blocked or need help. Let's start with our first example, nudging your team to share updates on a goal or project. Imagine your team is planning an offsite event and you'd like folks to share a weekly update on how the event prep is coming along. Instead of sending your team manual reminders, you can just set up an automated prompt and range. Here's how. First, navigate to Settings, then check in Customization and find your team. Then click Prompts and create your own. In this case, give it a tag like #offsite. Tags help you organize and find check-in items by topic. Choose what day of the week you'd like the prompt to appear and whether it makes more sense in the Plan or What Happened section of your team's check-ins. For this example, we'll set the prompt to appear in the What Happened section so the team can share what they accomplished related to the offsite. Then set a description and click Add Prompt. Now your team will see the #offsite prompt every Thursday when they write their check-in. Here's another example. You can use a prompt or two to help your team build the habit of asking for help when they need it. Let's choose a flag like Help or Blocked. Flags are an easy way for anyone to highlight important information for their team. For the prompt description, we could write something like, "What do you need help with?" And lastly, remember to choose which day of the week you'd like your prompt to appear. If we select Wednesday, the whole team will see this prompt on Wednesdays whenever they check in. Now that we've walked through those examples, keep in mind that you can mix and match any prompts you'd like. We'd recommend limiting prompts to 1 to 2 per day, just to avoid overwhelming your team. Also, be sure to check out our templates under the prompt settings for your workspace. We've pre-configured some thematic sets of prompts to help your team build accountability, celebrate and reflect on their work, and much more. Thanks for watching. Set up a prompt or two in your workspace today so you can help your team build positive habits and share useful, relevant updates in every check-in.